Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
So let's be honest, I cannot imagine that anyone loves to clean their bathroom. So when I found this electric spin scrubber from Autsmile, I absolutely could not wait to try it out. I am always so exhausted after cleaning my bathroom. All of the bending over, cleaning the tub, the scrubbing, but that's all in the past with this spin scrubber. I don't have to bend over when I clean the tub, and it does all the scrubbing for me. The spin scrubber came with 7 cleaning brush heads that are really easy to replace. It spins on 2 speeds, and what I love about this scrubber is that it really gets all that soap scum that I can't possibly get by hand. The battery life is really good too, and I can easily clean my whole bathroom on one charge, plus so much more. The scrubber is also waterproof, so it's safe to use in wet conditions, which makes me feel more confident using it. It also has a telescoping handle, which, as I mentioned earlier, makes cleaning a way more comfortable experience. I love that I can use this spin scrubber in my bathroom, my kitchen, in my car, in my trailer. It just is a great all-around cleaning tool, and I can't believe that I didn't get one sooner. This spin scrubber by Autsmile has really saved me when it comes to cleaning, and my back is so much happier too.
And that's my point of view.